Hello everyone. Welcome back to Prince of War channel. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk is a twin-engine medium-lift utility helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. Sikorsky submitted the S-70 design to the United States Army's Utility Tactical Transport Aircraft System (UTTAS) competition in 1972. The Army designated the prototype as the UH-60A and selected the Black Hawk as the program winner in 1976, after a fly-off competition with the Boeing Verdal UH-61. The UH-60A entered Army service in 1979, replacing the legendary Bell UH-1 Iroquois as the Army's tactical transport helicopter. This was followed by electronic warfare and special operations variants of the Black Hawk. Improved utility variants, the UH-60L and UH-60M, have also been developed. Modified versions have also been developed for the Navy UH-60 Seahawk, which is used in maritime operations such as amphibious landings, maritime special operations, maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. A civilian version is also available under the Sikorsky S-70. In addition to service with the U.S. Armed Forces, the UH-60 family has been exported to several countries. Black Hawks have seen combat during conflicts in Grenada, Panama, Iraq, Somalia, the Balkans, Afghanistan, and other areas of the Middle East. The helicopter gained prominence in popular culture after appearing in the war film Black Hawk Down. The Black Hawk multirole helicopter serves with the U.S. military and the armed forces of 34 other countries worldwide as a tough, reliable utility helicopter. During the last 40 years, this remarkable aircraft has fought its way in and out of countless combat zones to deliver and extract troops, save lives as a medevac or casualty evacuation platform, provide critical supplies to troops, deliver emergency supplies during natural disasters, and perform as an aerial firefighter and border patroller. Now the modern variant of this utility aircraft is taking on a new mission set, as an armed helicopter to provide fire suppression when supporting ground troops, as well as armed escort. With digital avionics, powerful GE engines, high-strength airframe structures and composite wide-chord rotor blades, today's Black Hawk platform has better survivability and situational awareness, and can fly higher and carry more than its predecessors ever did. More than 4,000 Black Hawk aircraft of all types are in service worldwide today. The U.S. Army is the largest operator with 2,135 UH-60 designated aircraft. The same aircraft sold internationally direct from Sikorsky acquires the S-70 designation. At 9,979 kilograms (22,000 pounds) max gross weight, the utility version of the Black Hawk helicopter transports 12 fully equipped, seated troops into the heat of battle. Within the following mission sets, Sikorsky can further customize to specific requirements. The Advanced Weapon System for Black Hawk helicopters allows pilots to identify and engage static or moving targets with forward-firing guns, rockets and laser-designated air-to-ground missiles. Fully integrated with the aircraft's digital flight controls, the weapon system calculates the range and the complex ballistics required for pilot-gunners to hit targets with high accuracy and reliability from standoff distances during day and night operations. The weapon system brings a cost-effective attack capability to third-generation Black Hawk aircraft while fully retaining the platform's multi-role utility. Ground crews can add or remove external wings and weapons of choice in 3 hours. Sikorsky qualified the weapon system to U.S. military airworthiness standards in 2017 after extensive live-fire flight testing. The system is now operational with the UAE. Militaries can acquire the weapon system with new Black Hawk aircraft acquired direct from Sikorsky, or as a kit retrofitted onto already fielded third-generation aircraft by a Sikorsky-qualified modification center. Building on the state-of-the-art UH-60M Black Hawk, the UH-60W Whiskey adds capability advancements to better support the full range of combat rescue and other special missions. Designed to meet long-range and high-threat requirements for the U.S. Air Force, the Whiskey will expand upon the legendary Black Hawk's versatility by doubling the internal fuel capacity without the use of space-hungry auxiliary fuel tanks, provides a robust weapon suite, and integrates defensive systems and sensors to provide an unprecedented combination of range and survivability. Additionally, by retaining 100% commonality with all UH-60M engine and dynamic systems, the aircraft provides the most sophisticated rotorcraft in the world at an extremely affordable price and total ownership cost over the entire life cycle. The U.S. Air Force program of record calls for 113 helicopters to replace the Air Force's aging UH-60G Pave Hawk helicopters, which perform critical combat search and rescue and personnel recovery operations for all U.S. military services and allies. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to support this channel by liking and commenting on your opinions here. See you in the next video.
You're welcome.